Hello guys, and welcome back to our last class of our course about the complete introduction to programming with Java. So basically we have completed the whole course, so I hope you guys really liked and enjoyed the content of this course. So as always, I tried to be as straight to the point as possible. I didn't want to basically, be too much general in my explanations, so I really have created different projects in order for you guys to help you understand everything around Java. So basically, what exactly we have saw in this course. So we saw plenty of different and interesting things. So we created different applications of that are about Java programming. So we talked about plenty of things such as different statements, we talked about loops, we talked about variables, we talked about different data types. So really all the basics of Java have been covered. So as I said at the beginning of this course, my goal here was not to make a it's not to make a professional of you. So it's pretty normal that you have a lot to learn. But once again, you have a strong basis, and this was my goal from the beginning, for you guys to really have a strong basis and be able to actually create different small applications with the use of Java. So right now, you guys should be able to create different small applications. So with all the projects that we have created, you guys should be able to create your own little projects and basic projects. So I really suggest you guys to practice everything that we have saw right now. So for the next steps, basically, what I suggest you to do is really practice everything that we have did. You can start with the basic applications, such as applications that we did at the beginning of the course, and even recreate the final project that we did in this course. Not only this, you guys can create your own project. So basically pretty simple. You guys simply start by creating a project plan. So what exactly you want to create. And after creating your project plan, you can start the creation process. And really important, if you guys basically are not able to perform a task or anything else, you can simply recheck out the course and check out the part that you guys are not necessarily understanding to be able to create your app. So it's like in anything else, the best way to become better at it is really to practice it on a daily basis. It's like, as I said, as anything, you can be a professional simply by completing one course. So now that you have completed the course, it's important to really practice what you have learned inside of this course. And this way you will go really, really far in this programming language. Besides of that, I hope you guys have liked the course. As I said, I tried to be as straight to the point as possible, not being too general or anything else. So each thing that we saw, I tried to practice it with you guys. So this way you will be able to understand everything. So in my opinion, the course was pretty complete. So if you guys have any suggestions for further courses, don't hesitate to write it down. Besides of that, if you guys liked my way of teaching, don't hesitate to check out my other courses. Once again, it was really an honor for me to be able to help you guys learning a little bit more about this programming language. I really, as I said, I really did my best to create the best quality course possible, and I hope you guys have liked it. So that's it for this course, guys. Hope once again that you liked the course, and see you all in any of my other courses.